So hello everyone and welcome. Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max which needs a new camera. So we're going to start by disassembling the phone. To do that, I'll first of all take these two screws out of the bottom of the phone. Then next I'll use this heating tool from iFixit to heat up the bottom and sides of the phone. Once that's done, I'll stick a suction cup to the bottom of the phone and begin to pry it up so I can use this metal pry tool and get it underneath the screen. Next, after heating up the phone a little bit more, I'll use two plastic picks, insert them below the display, and start to slide them around the phone to get the display off of the body of the phone. Once I've went up the sides, we can heat up the top a little bit more, and then slide the pick around the top. Once the display is loose from all the adhesive, I can wiggle it a little bit and then open the phone up like a book kind of, and then we can see inside the phone. So I'll remove 7 screws so that I can disconnect the battery and display connectors. Once those are off, I can just completely remove the screen. Then I'll remove the 5 screws holding down the camera so I can take off this metal plate over top of the camera, as well as a small bracket to the side here. Once that's off, I can just pop off the 3 connectors for the 3 cameras, one of which is actually hidden under the other ribbon cable. And after those are all off, I can just lift the camera right out. So then we can go ahead and just pop in the new camera module and connect the 3 ribbon cables for it. And then of course, the next step is to put in the metal bracket to hold them all down and screw that in place. And finally, we can use this adhesive, which will keep all the water and dust out of the phone hopefully once we're done. Make sure it stays safe. I'll just go around and push that all down to make it stick good. And once that's all down, I can just remove the protective film over top of it and then connect the display and the battery and power it on, and that's it. We have the iPhone 11 Pro Max working in great condition again. If you enjoyed, consider liking and subscribing to see more videos.